Howdy folks, DJ Smoker back with you. Today we're just doing a little quick backyard burger, backyard barbecue style on the big green egg. You know, we're just gonna keep it simple today. Let's go. Howdy folks, back with you. I said this was going to be a simple backyard cook, right? But the barbecue connoisseur in me won't allow me to do that. So check this out. So I've got some bacon on the big green egg, and I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of this fire honey. I'm just gonna candy it up just a little bit. I'm gonna bring you in closer and show you this. How about that? So now I'm getting ready to season up my burgers. And I'm just going with McCormick's Sweet and Smoky, my Old Faithful. But before I do that, I'm gonna hit them with a little bit of Worcestershire just to bring out that beef taste a little bit more. Let that soak in. Got my buns already buttered. We're gonna put those on the grill. And I'm gonna take my bacon off because it's just about perfect with that honey hot on it. Man, I tell you what. So I don't over season my burger, just a light dusting. And I only do one side. I don't know how you guys do yours, but I've over seasoned in the past. And these burgers are pre-done. They're actually a mixture of sharp cheddar cheese with fried onion bits mixed in it. Comes pre-mixed from local grocery store here that puts it together. Then you know they have barbecue, or not barbecue, but ground beef burgers with blue cheese crumbles. They get a little creative, so every now and then I pick something up. So it's gonna wait a little bit. I want that green egg to get really hot so I can get a nice char on my burgers. But I'm really excited about that. Honey hot bacon that's going on this burger. Just another slice, a regular slice of American cheese, brioche bun, Japanese mayo, and can't forget Aunt Sarah's barbecue sauce. Always keep some of this on hand, and I can put this on anything. I can put it on eggs in the morning for breakfast. I can put it on tacos. I can put it on everything. It's really just that good. So it looks like big green egg is steadily rising. I'm gonna let it get to 400 or a little bit back up past 400. But as you can see, it's a beautiful day in Tampa Bay today. Just an afternoon weekday cook. 2 burgers, one for Miss Smoker and one for me. And we'll be back. All right, folks, we're up to temp. I'm gonna remove this rack, set it there, because I want to get right over the heat. Oh yeah. So we're gonna let these go. We're gonna heat up our buns. Man, I tell you, life is good. Check this out, folks. I'm gonna give you a sneak peek. I just turned oh yeah. She cooking now, baby. So right now, we're looking pretty good. I just put my buns on to heat up. Burgers are looking fantabulous. I know that's not a word, y'all, so don't get all bent out of shape in the comments. Fantabulous. That's better than fantastic and fabulous. How about that? Oh, piece of American cheese that had been already sitting out. I think my buns are ready. Nice and brown, that's what I want to see. All right, this one's coming off. And this guy is the lucky winner. Whoa. Whoa. Putting that hot candied bacon on top. We'll be right back and we'll be ready to build. All right, folks, we're back. We're ready to build. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I guess that's why you need to lock your wheels on your big green egg. Runaway egg. That could have been disastrous. All right, back to the business end. We're gonna cover this up. All right. Now, I like my Japanese mayo about that much. Then I'm gonna come back with 3, gotta have 3 butter chip. And we're gonna do this, right? Let's get right here. Aunt Sarah's barbecue sauce. Not too much. Right there. Boy, my mouth is watering. All right. Here's to the people that keep us safe. Thank you for your service once again. This is a barbecue burger that already had sharp cheddar cheese and onion straws. It was already pre-packaged that way. I took it, cut it in half, put it on the big green egg. I've just added American cheese. I started the cookout with 2 pieces of smoked hickory bacon, but then I put honey, hot honey across it. So I just want you to get a look at this. Get a look at that. I can't wait anymore. Oh my goodness. I can't even talk right now. I've had this burger before, but I put it on gas. I put it on the gas flame. I put it on the big green egg this time. And that melted cheese, the hot honey bacon. It's not hot, it's not spicy. It's just a seasoned regular honey, if you will. I didn't get a bite of the pickle, but this time I'm sorry, y'all gotta bear with me. Do me a favor, folks. I'm still chewing. Like and subscribe if you like the content. Check out some of the other cooks coming right behind this one. Have a good day, a lovely evening. I'm DJ Smoker, and I'm out.